Hey guys! So once again, we're incubating some eggs for Ty's aunt. So the incubator is still on, unfortunately. Well, not unfortunately, I guess, because we get cute chickens as a result. But I'll try to talk over it. If the background noise is too much for you, I apologize. I'll see you in the next video. But today we're gonna do our BOXYCHARM unboxing, and it is what, August? That's so crazy. It feels so weird now that I'm like graduated and stuff. It feels so weird not going back to Florida and back to school. This is exactly how I felt when I graduated from undergrad as well. I don't like it, but it's whatever. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter, and we'll just get into the video. So, when we open up the box, we see the card, of course, and we have, the theme is Dusk Till Dawn, which is an interesting one, and it looks like there's like, I don't know, it looks like coffee to me on card, so, yeah. And then the first thing I see is these. These are by Luxie, and it looks like, let me open it up. I have so many sponges. Oh, whoa, okay. They're like two different sponges. This one is like your typical sponge. This one is, I don't know if you can see, probably not. Maybe, like, it's two-toned. It's like got this part up here and this part down here. So that's really interesting, and it feels like there's obviously something on it. It feels like it has maybe like a silicone type thing on it. Like it feels rubbery, you know? Let's see. These are $40. It says the duo-sided sponge, I'm assuming is this one, is best used damp and made for liquid complexion products. It absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it to your skin, so it probably is like a silicone or something kind of coating. And then the microfiber one is the other one, like their typical one, and it says it's best used dry to apply powder products or wet to apply liquid products. So yeah, it's like your typical sponge. I think I'm gonna use, well, I don't know, I guess we could use this one for like powder. I don't like bake or anything though. Maybe we'll do like one, yeah, we'll do one side with one and this one on the other. Yeah. But anyways, we're not gonna do that yet. We're gonna move on to the next thing in the box, which is this. This is the Natasha Denona Cupid palette. Yeah, got a Natasha Denona palette before. It's the, hold on, let me find it. It's the Ayana palette. I remember I was kind of upset when I got this one because I wanted the other one that was like a little more colorful, but honestly, I really like that palette. I don't use it very often, but I do like it. But this one is more on the reddish side. I kind of wish it was a little brighter, if you will. It's got this pretty burgundy shade. Then we've got like this kind of tan mauve. It's like a hint of mauve to it. We've got this probably like a highlight shade, then a dark brown shade with like a warmer undertone, and then this kind of bronzy color, I guess. So yeah, we'll just get right into using this palette. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes. It actually turned out really good. Like, I kind of was winging it a little bit, and I kind of decided to do the wings like last minute, but they actually turned out pretty good. I'm kind of proud of myself. Overall though, I do like this palette. Of course, it's a Natasha Denona. She has really good formulas. I've never tried any of her palettes before except for that one that came in the other BOXYCHARM that I mentioned earlier. But yeah, the formula is really soft. The shimmers are super buttery. The only thing is the mattes are a little on the powdery side, but that's okay. Like in terms of like when you put your brush in, it kind of like kicks up a lot, but that's not like a big deal to me, at least. So yeah, I just went and wet this. I think I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna use this one dry and use it to like apply my powder. I'm not gonna like bake or anything, but yeah, but I got this one wet. This is the two-tone one, so yeah. I don't know why they didn't like put the whole thing in whatever it is, but it feels soft. It's a little dense, but that's fine, honestly. I'm not super picky when it comes to sponges, mostly because I like never use them, because I never use like foundation or anything. We'll use the ABH foundation, and I'll just put it on my hand like always. You know what? I usually use a brush, so maybe I'll do one side with the brush and one side with the sponge, just to know the difference. This is okay, apparently I need to go tan a little bit. This is a little dark for me, but it's fine. We'll fix it with some concealer, I guess. Okay, right off the bat, it's not comfortable. It's like, it's not scratchy per se, but it feels weird. It's not like soft, you know? Do I think it's soaking up less product? I don't know, to be honest. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really like it. I feel like it looks like my skin, or like the foundation sitting on my skin. Even when I go in with, and it's not the foundation, because I actually really like this foundation. So, because even when I go in with like the bottom, which doesn't have the coating on it, yeah, here, let me turn my light down so you guys can see better. It just looks like the foundation's like sitting on top of my skin. I don't know, not a fan. It doesn't look as orange once I have it like blended out. I don't think I look orange on camera. I think I look okay, so. Overall, I don't like this. Really, I'll probably give it to someone. This one, on the other hand, I don't know, it's probably like a standard sponge. The only thing is I have like so many sponges that I like never use, so I might just give both of them to someone. But yeah, let's just like, we're not gonna like bake. We're just gonna kind of apply the product with the sponge, I guess. I've never done this before, this is weird. Do I think it makes a difference? I don't know, honestly. It's hard to tell because my under eyes, since my skin isn't like, because I have so many like freckles and stuff, it's hard to tell when things like smooth out my skin. Next thing in the box is this. This is the OPV Beauty London Glow Perfect Face Palette. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how well this is gonna go with the look, so I guess we'll find out. Shade 4 is what it says on the back. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. I like the packaging. Mirror packaging is so pretty. The only thing is it gets super dirty because, you know, fingerprints and shit. But yeah, it's pretty for like the first second. Okay, so this is it. The bronzer might be a little light, but even out, the highlight might be a little dark as well. So the blush doesn't really go with the look, but it's fine. We're gonna go for it anyways. So let's just hop right in. Well, the bronzer is it's got like gold flecks in it, but it seems pretty fine. So hopefully it doesn't like show up too much. you know? I don't really like glitter in my bronzers. Okay, it's definitely not dark enough. Maybe like in the winter, since I'm back here in Missouri, we'll see. The blush is matte, which is, I don't know why they made the bronzer not matte, but whatever. Shimmer, whoa, okay. Blush is definitely pigmented. Whoa, that's a lot. I don't know if it's showing up on camera or not, but wow, that's some blush. I like the blush actually, it just doesn't really fit the look. Now is the highlight. We'll see if it's too dark. Oh no, that's good actually. It's pretty. It's not super intense either, so it might show up like that on camera though because of my lighting, but in person it's pretty natural, I would say. You could probably build it up if you wanted to though. Next thing in the box is this, and this is why I haven't done my brow bone or anything. This is by Aesthetica. It's the Starlight Highlighter. I thought it was interesting they put a face palette with a highlighter in it and then another highlighter, but when I opened it up, I was like, oh shit, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a champagne color with a very like intense pink shift. So yeah, I thought that would be really cool to put it like on the brow bone in the inner corner. So let's do that, shall we? I'm gonna swatch it real quick actually. Interesting. It's because my skin tends to like eat any like warmth. Or like it tends to make things warmer once I apply them, then like maybe they look like in the pan or something, but it seems like this might be okay. It is definitely showing, the pink is definitely showing more than the champagne, but we'll see. But I mean, you know, it's kind of like one of those like unusual highlights, so kind of going for some. This would probably look really cool with that filter that everyone's using for like the white eyeliner and stuff. It makes it look all like pearlescent and stuff. I bet this would look really cool with it. Last thing in the box is, where is it? There it is. This is the BFC Beauty for Certain lipstick, I think. In Deluxe lipstick in number 18. I don't think I told you guys the prices for the other stuff. The highlight is $25 and the face palette is $34 and the eye palette is $48 and this is $18. I guess it doesn't have a shade name, it's just number 18, which also happens to be the price, I guess. It's kind of funny. So yeah, I don't know. Looks like it's like a nice little nude that will go perfectly with this look, actually. Ooh, I love the packaging, very Y2K, right? Oh yeah, that's pretty. I like that. It's a good nude for me. It looks like it's a matte or maybe like a cream. We'll see. What's it say? It says velvet. Oh, extra matte finish. Okay. Oh. Okay. Definitely feels like an extra matte finish. I was kind of hoping it would be on the creamier side. Finish is an interesting choice because no one really wears like extra matte lipstick anymore. $165 is the total. So yeah, it's a good deal, just like always, even if I'm paying $30 a month for it. It's kind of annoying, but I changed my shipping or my billing address because it's I'm in Missouri now, so hopefully it won't be $30 because I don't know if I can keep paying $30. Hope you liked the video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and follow me on my socials. They'll be in the description if you missed them in the beginning of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.